Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Marian Tito Batang, isang still fixer dito sa New Zealand living. So, for today's video ay kumain ako dito sa isang Chinese or Thailand na restaurant. Subukan natin tikman ang kanilang fried rice with chicken. Try natin tikman guys mamaya. Yan, ito kanilang mga menu. Yan. Ito nga pala guys ang aking pinagbayaran yan, $17 at 2.50 ang cooking can. Tapos eto naman siya. Yan. Parang gusto ko pang umorder ng pork bun at saka beef burger. Eto guys, umorder uli ako ng 1 pork bun at beef burger. Yan. Ang pork bun ay $3.50, tapos ang beef burger ay $10. So try natin tikman. Tapos ito nga pala ay Chinese restaurant tayo guys. Kaya na tayo guys, masarap din siya. Sarap. Tangka ko dito guys. Dami nito ah.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Oh, back to our old favourite fish and chip shop.
Yeah. Our Chinese meal.
Yes. Chinese meal. What did you say?
Olivia, what are you going to have, Mum?
Did you say Chinese meal?
Yes. There's noodle, rice,
Oh, yeah.
some pork, chicken.
Yeah, you're talking about?
Hey? Oh, you can look up there. I'm looking over here. The black bean beef chop suey.
How much is the black bean?
$17.
$17. Black bean chop suey.
Kaya lang mainit pa guys.
How much? Right, let me go. Dumpling noodle soup, how much is that? How much?
21.
Sour chicken with fried rice, that sounds nice. How much is that one?
$17.
There's also the seafood chop suey.
Guys, eto. Naubos ko. Paubos na. ko na guys, pero yung hamburger at bun ay hindi ko natitiranin, mamaya na lang kasi full tank na dito pa lang. So maraming salamat guys sa panonood. Hanggang dito na lang. Sana nagustuhan nyo ating pagkain for today. At please like, comment, and subscribe na rin po sa ating YouTube channel. Rock and roll!